Well, it's hot, sweltering, treacherous day. I'm going to be sweating like a dog. We're coming into this national park, Paklenica National Park here in Croatia. And there it is, the entrance
to the National Park of Paklenica. So welcome. And what we usually do is we stand, you guys as a group stand beneath the sign and we take a group shot. Okay,
All
does
right.
that work?
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we're in the shade a little bit. This is going to be short-lived. Come across a little bridge. No water down there. It's bone dry down there. Come across the bridge here. Hiking here. It's about, I don't know, 95 or something out here. It's hot. Okay. Another bridge. Another dry gulch here. Here we go. Alright. It's dark in here.
It's dark. If you take off your glasses, sunglasses,
Oh yeah.
it might be even a little bit lighter than dark.
Okay.
Yes, it's a big room you can all fit. The mill. On our hike today we will have several of examples of these, but they are ruins. This is the only mill that was actually rebuilt in end of 19th century, beginning of the 20th century, as a purpose of showing, we are actually using the educational trail, so showing how it once was and how it once was used. You would, at the back of this house, this mill, you would have slides coming in with the power of the river that used to be here and the stream. It would turn, rotate, and mill or grain, wheat, what else? Corn,
Yeah. Any type of millet and
any
stuff.
type of grain that we saw fields and fields of yesterday behind the mountain in the Lika region, right? So they say that 8,000 years ago, that's a lot too far. I would say a little bit closer to our history. People from Lika region, they were livestock farmers, cattle breeders. They would travel across the mountain here and they would bring whatever they were planting there, that here it's too rocky to be able to plant. They would, agriculture stuff, they would bring it here, use the mill, exchange their goods, and travel back. What would they be exchanging it for?
Salt.
Good work!
Gold.
Hey.
Gold.
Gold, yeah. That gold at that time. Yes, they would be exchanging it for salt. That's why the connection is in the morning, salt, here we come in the afternoon.
And here's all the slides she was talking about. They could put the stuff in, it would slide down in there and go around the grinder. Alright. Here's our trail. We got sunlight on here, so it's a little hard to see. But we want to go up here. Then I think we have to come back the same way. I think it's because it's about a mile each way. So she said about 2 miles, so hard to see here. Oh, we're still on the trail. Had a little climb there. So the kids taking a break, but they enjoy the vista here. I think there's a downhill coming up right up ahead, albeit probably short-lived. All right, trail looks like it gets a little better up here. More of a, not too many rocky stuff. Kids still doing good. I'm still live on the trail here. It's always good to be alive. That's for sure. Okay, let's get back on here. Subscribe. We always need subscribers. Well, Kuktisa means it's for rock climbers. The little trail goes up there. You can climb up those rocks. No thank you. I don't even want to touch them. They'll be so hot here. But I think on the trail that I'm on like mostly rock climbing, because the first section was quite steep and it's still going mostly up. All right, stop complaining. I know. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm still on the trail. This is kind of an easy part here. Super hot. Still a sweat ball. And teeny tiny little breeze every now and then. I'm thankful for this little partial shade, but it's brutal when you go out in the sun, brutal. Well, here's another bridge. I think this is our lunch point. I think I might stay here and not do the last section because it's another uphill. There's some tunnels and some other stuff which would be kind of nice, but I want to take a chance with all this heat here. And yeah, better safe than sorry. This is our picnic lunch.
For hours, and then you in the end get some sauce.
How hot are they?
No, they're not spicy.
Oh no?
No.
Very good.
It's a really
All
very,
kinds of
very
good stuff here.
sauce.
We even have wine, beer. Too hot to have one of those for myself here, but all kinds of good stuff here. Yeah, good healthy stuff. Okay.